What's up, Jam Crew? It's your boy George, and I'm back with another fucking prank video, guys. So today's prank video is gonna be fucking tight because it's payback for Monica cutting my fucking hair. I know you guys saw that. That shit was not nice. When I told her I wanted to let it grow, and she's over here fucking cutting my hair while I'm asleep. Alright, guys. So today's prank is gonna be the baby powder and a blow dryer prank. She's gonna get ready soon because I told her we're gonna go out. It's my day off today. But yeah, guys, so just hold on right here while I put this baby powder. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna put a lot of this shit because it's fucking payback. I don't think that's enough. She needs more for cutting my fucking hair. Alright, guys, don't worry, I'm cleaning right now. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna clean it so it looks like there's nothing going on here. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna be putting the camera up here so she can't see it when she comes and blow dries her hair. Alright, guys? I'll see you right now. Hey, so where are we gonna go?
What vamos to go get ice cream?
Oh, okay.
On this cold ass day and shit.
Rodo, come here. Mama.
The fuck? Back!
What?
What the fuck?
What?
Are you serious?
I got her. Got him! Got him!
Now I have to fucking get back in the shower.
Look up
do
there.
everything.
Look.
What the fuck, baby? Are you
It's a
serious?
prank.
Oh my god.
Hold on, let me get the phone. Hell yeah, baby. Look. Look, guys. I got her ass fucking good. Look at her face. Zoom in. Zoom out.
It's not funny, babe. Now I have to fucking get back in the shower.
Hell yeah, you do.
Change my clothes.
Hell yeah, you do. That's what happens. Forget. Look at my head. It's all shaved because of you.
Okay, babe, but
Look.
this is not fucking funny, man. Damn, you go too fucking far, I swear.
What?
What do you mean, what? Well, look, I have to go get back in the damn shower now.
You smell like baby powder. Hell yeah.
Hey,
How does it feel, huh? How does it feel?
I didn't do this to you.
No, but you fucking look how you left him.
Oh my god, guys. Sorry, Papa. I'm sorry, baby.
Look how you got him. 'Cause
No,
you helped him.
this was you. You mean how you got him? Damn,
She's
baby.
mad, guys. She is
I'm
mad.
mad at the fact that I have to get back in the damn shower and clean myself. Now my son.
Aw, you poor thing. Hit that thumbs up, like, share, comment down below, and definitely subscribe, guys. Alright, guys, peace.
Hey! Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. My bitch is bad and bullshit. Bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit. Bad.